In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wrike support. By the end, you'll know the quickest path to the Help Center and how to reach an agent or submit a support request directly from your workspace. Start by opening your Wrike workspace and heading to your profile area. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar. That's your entry point to account options and help resources. Go to your profile, then click on your profile to open the menu. This small step is easy to overlook, but it ensures you're pulling up the correct menu where Wrike keeps links to support, settings, and other essentials. In the profile menu, click on Help. This takes you straight to Wrike's Help Center in a new tab. Give it a second to load. Here, you'll see a lot of choices designed to help you help yourself fast. A search bar for articles, product guides, and how-tos, links to community discussions, and other learning resources. If you're troubleshooting a common issue, it's often faster to type a few keywords into the search box and scan the top articles before reaching out. The Help Center is updated frequently, so release notes and best practices are usually right at your fingertips. When you're ready to contact support, look for the chat bubble, typically in the bottom right corner of the Help Center. Click the chat bubble to open the assistant. Start by describing your issue in clear, concise terms, what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. The assistant may surface relevant articles first. If those don't solve it, keep the conversation going. It can guide you to submit a request and automatically generate a ticket for you, which is the official way to contact Wrike support. Include helpful, non-sensitive details like the feature you're using, the scope of impact, timestamps, and any error messages. Avoid sharing private information such as passwords, personal emails, or security tokens. If the chat indicates that live agents are unavailable, don't worry. Submitting a request through that same flow still creates a support ticket. You'll receive follow-up in your inbox associated with your Wrike account. For smoother resolution, keep your screenshots focused on the issue and blur anything confidential. That's it. Open your profile, click Help, explore the Help Center resources, and use the chat bubble to contact support or submit a ticket. Follow these steps and you'll reach Wrike support quickly and with all the context they need to help.